we got here a nonagon. Nonagon means it has 9 sides, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And the question is find the area of this nonagon. Since it's a regular nonagon, which is given in the question, all the sides are equal, all of them are 5 meters long, and from the center, when we draw lines to the corners of the nonagon, the triangles that are formed here are all congruent triangles, and all these sides are equal. So basically, the triangles are isosceles triangles. Two sides are equal. I have to find, as usual, this type of questions, you are going to find, if it is a regular polygon, you are going to find the angle of this triangle. How am I going to find it? Since we have got 9 angles here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, sorry, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. There are 9 of them, then 360 divided by 9, because total is 360 degree complete angle. So one of them will be 40 degree. So that's 40 degree. If we sketch the triangle here independently, these two sides are equal. That is 40 degree and that is 5 meters. Then what am I going to do? First of all, let's say this is A and A, both are equal unknown. If this is 40 degree, what are the base angles? Since it is isosceles triangle, that makes 140 divided by 2, 70 degree. So these angles will be 70, 70. I'm going to apply sine rule, A over sine 70, which is equal to 5 over sine 40. Then cross multiply. 5 times sine 70 is equal to 8 times sine 40. Both sides divided by sine 40. So then that is simplified. A will be equal to, let's calculate it, 5 times sine 70 divided by sine 40, which is equal to 7.31. So this is going to be 7.31 meter. So if this is 7.31 meter, both of them are equal, 7.31, then the area of this triangle will be 1 over 2 times 7.31 times sine what? Sine 40. So that will be equal to multiply sine 40 divided by 2, 17.17 meters squared. So then we have how many of them? We have 9 of them. So area nonagon will be equal to 17.17 times 9. So times 9, which is equal to 154.55 cm. Not cm, but meters squared. So that's the final answer. So let's not forget, if you are asked to draw, you are asked to find area of a regular polygon, the first thing is from the center point, you draw lines to the corner. The triangles that are formed are all congruent triangles. So all these sides are equal in length. Therefore, the triangles that are formed here are all isosceles triangle. The first thing you are going to do is from the center, draw the line. Second, find one of the angles here. Since total is 360, there are 9 of them divided by 9. So each of them are 40 degree. So let's draw an individual triangle here. That's 40. This is 5 meter. Two sides are equal. That's an isosceles triangle. 180 minus 40. 140 divided by 2. Base angles are equal. 70, 70. So how do I find A? Sine rule. A over sine 70 equal to 5 over sine 40. From that, we find the length of one of the sides here, which is equal to 7.31 in this question. So by using the rule of area, 2 sides and angle in between are given, or you can choose these two, or you can choose these two. It doesn't really matter. We have chosen these two. So 1 over 2, 7.31 times 7.31. The angle in between is 40 sine 40 divided by 2. So that is the area of one triangle, but we have 9 of them. Therefore, multiply 9. That's the final answer. Let's remember what if an irregular polygon is given. What are we going to do about it? So let's draw an example here. Okay, let's draw the picture first. We got a picture. Okay, here we go. There we go. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Okay. So according to the question, this is 90 degree. Here is given 7 meter. Here is given 4 meter. Here is given 7.5 meter, and this is given 9 meter. This is given 8 meter, and these are the 90 degrees. So normally, if you are given an irregular polygon like this, what kind of polygon is this? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 sides pentagon. You have to, what we do, we divide it into triangles, different triangles. However, for this question, this particular question, we will have a different approach. What is that approach? I will join these two lines here, the corners here. So if you look at here carefully, this side will be parallel to that side. Why is that? Because they are perpendicular to the same line. So the big picture here is called trapezium. Lower side and upper side are parallel. So if from the trapezium, area of trapezium, I remove the area of this triangle, then I will get the answer. Then let's write it first. Area of polygon is equal to area of trapezium minus area of triangle. So what is the area of trapezium? Lower base plus upper base times height divided by 2. And what is the area of the right triangle? The product of the legs, 4 times 7.5 divided by 2. So that makes 16, 4, 64, minus that makes 215. So the answer will be 49 meters squared. So that's a different approach. And there is a very common parallelogram question. I would like to solve that too. A parallelogram question. Let's have a look at the parallelogram question. So let's solve it here. There is a parallelogram. Let's sketch a parallelogram first. Where's the parallelogram? We've got a parallelogram somewhere here. It is here. Okay, so we got a parallelogram here. What is given on this parallelogram? Let's write it down. What is given here? 125 degree. It is 125 degree. Here is given 30 centimeter. 125. Here is given 20 centimeter, and here is given 30 centimeter. Let's say 10 centimeter. The question is, find the area of this parallelogram. What is the rule of the parallelogram? Properties of the parallelogram? All opposite sides are equal, isn't it? If that is 125, this has to be 125. When we have a regular polygon, this is not a regular polygon. This is parallelogram. What we are going to do, we will divide it into two pieces. So I will divide it from here. So there are two triangles here, 1 and 2. What is special about these two triangles? They are congruent triangles. Everything is same, because here is also 10 and here is also 20. They are the same triangles. So if I find area of one, I can find area of the parallelogram. So what is area triangle 1? Is equal to, we use the rule because we know two sides and angle in between, times sine 125. So what's the result here? 100 times sine 125 is equal to 81.92. 81.92 cm squared. We've got two of them, so the total area of parallelogram will be 81.92 times 2. Times 2 is equal to 163.83 cm squared. That's the final answer.